Good morning, my friends. This is Mariana Crawford, and this is another episode of Glam MC and the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. Today I'm going to do a quick get ready with me and show you my Ipsy bag. This is the beautiful bag that I received. It's pretty. I really like it a lot. And I was surprised to see this. I received a tweezer, and this is from Slanted Tweezers, the Vintage Cosmetics company. Pretty cool. I really like that. My sister needs one, so I think I'm gonna give it to her because I have like a little one that has 3 tweezers in my purse, so that for emergencies. So I have this soft matte lip cream. It's the first time that I'm trying it, and I really want to check that out. This I'm going to try to wear right now. It's a banana setting powder, and this is from BP. Yeah. Next I have here the Bubble Bath and Body. This is lemon and green tea stimulating hand cream. This is cool. It's infused with essential oils. And I have here La Lasting Skin and Co Roma Truffle Therapy, and this is whipped polish cleansing cream with truffle extract. So those are my items. I'm gonna use this one. Oh my god, it just came out of the top. Wow. Okay. Really? Okay. Smells like lemon. It's good for hydration. I can't believe it came out from the top. Next is my powder. I'm gonna use this one. It has a little thing in here. Hold on. Okay. So first I'm gonna use a little bit of Shape Tape. Put it under my eye. All right. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my little pimples that I have here. I have Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo here. I have like 3 of them in a row. I don't understand. Cover those bad boys up. Next, we continue with the setting powder, the banana powder. It's a little dark. I'm not used to this kind of color. It's yellow. I don't know about that, but I'm gonna try it out. And you can see the yellow, that's the thing. I've never tried banana powder before. Okay. Alright, so that's the banana powder. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Kevyn Aucoin with my Making Faces beauty book and use my contour. So I'm starting from the top of my ear down towards my mouth and going in an upward motion to do my contour. Do a little bit on my forehead and take it down towards like that, a big 3. You just want to go around the perimeter of your face and warm it up. Okay, I'm using my crown brush for my contour. My bronzer. The first one, this one is a contour, this one is the warming of the face of the bronzer. So you want to do the contour first or second? I don't know. You can do it either way. This is just the way I do it. Alright, I'm going to use my blush. This is Shador. This is part of my project Vamp. I'm trying to finish it up. It's my favorite blush. Put a little flower balm on. Next thing I'm going to use is the NYX. And this, it smells a little bit like vanilla or candy. It's nice. It's very comfortable on the lips. Nice color. It smells good. Very creamy. I like it. So I'm going to take this to work with me. And the next thing that I'm going to do is my brows. Here you go. I'm going to use number 1 to go over my brows and fill them in. This is no longer being sold, but I want to play with it. I saw a video on it. There was one where somebody made one eye look with the saint side and one look with the sinner side on each side. I'm not going to do that because I'm going to work, but I want to use the palette. So for the transition, I'm going to use this one. This palette is beautiful, and just because they don't sell anymore doesn't mean I don't need to create looks with it, right? So I'm gonna put on, well, let me continue. I'm gonna use a little bit of this one. And the next color that I'm gonna be using is this one. Okay, pink and purple. Really dark purple. So I used this one, and then now I'm going to use this one. This one's really dark. And put that as lower lash line as possible. Then I'm going to take step 1 for the money vintage brush and use this one. Alright, so I'm going to take a little bit more of this really dark purple, this one, and put it in the outer corner. Okay. Same thing for here. I'm just putting it on the lower lid and the little V on the outer corner on the lower lid.
It's 6:49 a.m.
Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna leave it this way because I ran out of time, and it looks nice the way it is. Cap on the eyeliner. Okay. Next, mascara. Bad Girl Bang from Benefit is my favorite right now. A little bit of highlight. I think a little bit of highlight would be nice. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Mary Lou Luminizer. I'm putting them So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Putting a little bit of my Fix Plus on that. Have a beautiful day, guys. All right, bye.